One of the common mistakes that a lot of CEO or founders do when they want to scale their business is that they want to double down their marketing. As a marketing person, gustong-gusto ko talaga na malaki yung budget ng marketing, but I always wanna do it strategically. Some brands, what they do is, sige, meron kaming 1 million for our ads, so kaya meron kaming 5 million pesos and you do this and that. But it doesn't work that way because there are a lot of things that we have to consider on how to do go-to-market strategy. Before you double down doon sa marketing mo, go and check your customer service. Kaya ba ng customer service? Kaya ba nila sumagot sa mga inquiries? Are the people trained? Are they skilled enough to handle a lot of pressure? May sistema na ba in place? Kaya ba ng fulfillment? Kaya ba ng inventory? May stocks ba kami? What if galing abroad pa yung stocks namin? 'Di ba? It is really important that before you go and palakasin yung marketing, you have to check your whole operation. Sometimes we really like so much sales. Who doesn't, 'di ba? Baka ito pa yung magiging downfall natin. I had this client before na kung saan nag-argue kami. Why? Because gustong-gusto niya talaga ng maraming sales at gustong-gusto ko din yun. Kaya lang, hindi talaga proper na that you want to cater the demand. Unfortunately, hindi kakayanin ng operations. Kaya maraming mga brands ang ginagawa nila is nagpapa-waitlist na lang sila. Kasi nga, rather than masira yung brand nila, mas gusto nila na mas strategic yung pag-approach nila sa pagbebenta ng produkto nila. Again, we don't want our clients to experience na kung saan gusto nila ng sales, they want to double down the marketing, at ito pa yung magiging downfall nila. So, before palakasin mo yung marketing mo, you have to check on your sales team. Kaya ba nila na i-handle yung maraming inquiries? How do they do that? 24/7 ba na kailangan nandun sila? Meron ka na bang system na kung saan kahit tulog yung customer service mo ay may sumasagot pa rin? Kaya ba ng operations mo? And baka kasi pag hindi kinaya ng customers mo, lahat ng mga nadidispose ng mga products ay may problema. So, hindi ka na ngayon magkakaroon ng retention or wala ka na ngayon mga repeat buyers. So, before thinking of sales, kasi gusto mo ng pera, kasi mukha tayong pera, magiging downfall mo pa yun. Always remember that scaling is not just about creating the demand. It's also about managing the demand. So, if you are a CEO or founder who's actually looking to launch their new product or may campaigns kayo or may mga brands kayo na gusto nyong ilabas this time ng tama, or you just wanna scale up your business to 8 digits monthly, then DM me. Message me and pagtulungan natin kung paano natin ma-reach yung 10 million pesos mo at least per month. Yun lang. Bye!